Mr. Speaker, the only clause that is close to that, Mr. Speaker, is C1. C1, Mr. Speaker. And on C1 it says, in respect of a rent premium or similar considerations for the use of occupation or immovable property, 30%, Mr. Speaker, is payable. We want this committee to tell us, before the 30% that is imposing, what was that percentage before? It was 7%. Where the tenants were withholding, they are withholding the money for the purpose of KRA. It was 7%. In this document, Mr. Speaker, we imposed 30%. 30%, Mr. Speaker, means what? If you are paying rent of 10,000, Mr. Speaker, you will have to submit 3,000, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Soro, allow the Honorable Majimbo to finish his submission. You'll respond to him. You'll respond to him. Go ahead.
Mr. Speaker, I will further inject, Mr. Speaker. When I'm injecting this sense, Mr. Speaker, the whole nation is watching us. This House is making the law for posterity. We must put Kenyans in their right position. And, Mr. Speaker, Kenyans are not fools. When they watch and we read here, and we say that we have not imposed any tax on Mitumba, here on the floor of the House, and yes, it's put here in clause 169. Mr. Speaker, this puts us in a very awkward position. If, Mr. Speaker, I heard well, the minister also reiterated that those Kenyans who earn 30% and below, 30,000 and below, 30,000 and below, they were going to be exempted from pay-as-you-earn tax. Mr. Speaker, any law that deals with the tax must be brought here. And it must be put in here. It is nowhere. We are saying, and that's why, Mr. Speaker, we are saying, we are telling this government, Mr. Speaker, to be a one-term government. It is going to be one-term government because, Mr. Speaker, it doesn't carry the aspirations of the Kenyans. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Now, I want to request as follows, because I know all of us are emotive. Let's just be factual. You know, I'm listening to Honorable Majimbo, and he refers to clause 169. And you know it's not there. So, order. Just sit down. Every member in this House will have their say. In fact, I want to request the following, that because all of us want to